Pandemic took center stage at the debate. 76,000 new cases reported in the U.S. It's one of the highest one-day totals since the pandemic began. More than 40,000 people are currently hospitalized, but now there's some new hope for a treatment. Our chief national correspondent, Matt Gutman, joins us now from hard-hit Billings, Montana. Good morning, Matt.
Michael, good morning. Where I'm standing was actually a former dialysis center, but now it's a temporary triage unit because of the massive influx of patients into hospitals like this. And that's what makes the FDA's approval of the treatment Remdesivir so important. The faster patients can recover, the more quickly hospitals like this can turn over beds.
This morning, the FDA providing a golden seal of approval for the COVID treatment Remdesivir, recognizing that the agency believes the drug, which will be the first FDA-approved treatment to fight the virus, is relatively safe to use and can shorten the duration of symptoms.
And you're all done.
Movement on the vaccine front as well. Pfizer becoming the first company to test its vaccine on children, enrolling its youngest volunteer, 12-year-old Abina. His father is also participating in Pfizer's trial for adults.
I think that it's pretty cool to participate in this research study. I was nervous, but mostly for the blood test.
That as COVID patients piling up in hospitals in the nation's heartland. There are 4 to a room at the ICU at the University Medical Center in El Paso, where daily COVID cases have increased 450% in the past 3 weeks. Nearly half of the hospital's entire capacity is filled with COVID patients. You can see some of them turned on their stomachs to help them breathe. The mayor begging people to stay home.
So it's serious, ladies and gentlemen. It's imperative that we do what we need to do and change our behaviors.
Montana also notching a record number of cases, shipments of beds going to hospitals. The ER at the Billings Clinic Hospital, one of the busiest in the nation. At one point on Thursday, patients stacked in the corridors.
What does it mean when you have 10 or a dozen people waiting for a room?
It just puts additional stress on staff.
ER manager Brad Van Bergen's daily battle against the virus is deeply personal. In July, his sister, his stepfather, and then his mother became infected.
3 weeks later, she passed away. She was brought into the hospital, admitted. As a family, we decided to bring her home and
Let her die with dignity.
yes, the way she wanted to go.
That's so heartbreaking. Now, we spent the week in some of the nation's biggest COVID hotspots, El Paso, Texas, and here in Billings, Montana, as different as could be. But the one common denominator is low mask compliance. And that's what's so frustrating to frontline medical workers. They say countless lives could have been saved if people had only worn these. Cecilia.
The science is there to back that up. Okay, Matt, thank you so much.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.